Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page name. So in order to do this, all you need to do is head over to the bottom right corner of your screen where you see menu. Click on it and then go right here to settings and privacy and click on settings. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on Meta Account Center just like this. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click on your profile just like this. Now what you can do is you want to click on your profile again from where you want to change your name. And here you can change your Facebook name and username. So your name of course is how you want to be seen and your username is how people can actually find you. So in order to change it, simply type in whatever you want and then once you have done, click simply on done and your name will be changed. And this can also be done for your normal name. Simply click on first name and last name, you can change it and then you can save it. So that's how you can change your Facebook page name. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.